Hi everyone, welcome back to Toolsmystro. I am Sam, and in today's video, I will walk you through how to use one of our powerful and easy to use tools, the Custom PNG Background Changer. But before we dive into the demo, let me quickly explain why we created this tool. These days, most smartphones and editing apps offer a one-tap background remover feature, which is great, but there's a catch. You can remove the background, but there's no easy option to replace it with a custom color or image, especially without using a professional design app. That's where this tool comes in. Whether you are creating social media posts, product mockups, YouTube thumbnails, or just fun edits, this tool gives you full control over the background without needing Photoshop or any editing skills. Let's get started. Head over to toolsmystro.com. Right on the home page, you will see a search bar at the top. You can type the name of the tool there, or simply scroll down until you find the one named Custom PNG Background Changer. Click the Change Background button. Once the tool opens, the first step is to upload an image. Now you can upload your image in 3 ways. Click to select it manually from your device. Drag and drop it into the upload area, or simply paste it, which is what I will do right now. Let me open Google real quick. I will search for man PNG. Now I will go to images and apply the transparent background filter. Here's a good one. I'll copy this image and paste it directly into our uploader. As soon as the image is uploaded, a bunch of customization options will appear on the right. First, you will see background colors. You can pick from basic colors like red, gray, and so on. If you want to use a specific shade, click on Custom Background Color and use the color picker. Next, we have the background image option. This lets you either select from our preloaded image backgrounds or upload your own. Take a moment to experiment and see what fits your design. Once you are happy with the look, let's click on the download button. Your image will be downloaded in PNG format with the new background applied, and that's it. I hope this quick tutorial helped you understand how to use the Custom PNG Background Changer. If you found this tool useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Toolsmystro, and check out our other tools designed to make your creative process easier. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.